Guys, in T video you will see amazing drone cameras which fly in air for a longer time of period, and another with the LED lights of different colors in it. Friends, if you are new on my channel, support the channel. You get all these amazing gadgets from Amazon and other online stores easily. Let's start the video without any delay. Guys, you are watching Gadget World. It's a camera drone. Fly it and make it land. You don't have to work hard, just use the remote. You have to press a button to get it in the air properly. Hold the position at one point. It can also do 360-degree flips. It can take your photos by just making gestures. It has strong motor to flight, but the brushes not make the much noise. Its body is totally foldable, so you can carry it easily with you where you want to go. It can automatically scan objects which come in front of it and change path. This is a very common feature. Nowadays it can be found in literally every drone. This is a budget drone, so it has a camera. It has modular battery. You can change it easily. This is some very next level quality. The features will be quite good, and especially, if you want to give as a gift, then this one is perfect because not too expensive. Its features are also fine. Off-road monster truck. Let's see off-road truck with awesome look. This all-new high-speed RC cars inject with excellent four-wheel drive performance, increased durability, and even more fun. It's the ideal choice for RC lovers. The larger tires carefully designed grip for any terrain. This RC monster truck will make you become the focus in the racing. This RC cars for boys with full-function remote control system. High-speed remote control car comes with 2 rechargeable batteries. You can enjoy the RC fun for long a time. This RC cars for adults can conquer grassland, sands, rocks, puddles, and any bumpy grounds in many weather conditions. This monster car is totally remote controlled in an easy way. Laptop cooling stand. If you work online, play games, or spend most of time on laptop, your laptop get warm, but this stand 3-speed fan cooling wind wheel. It give large air supply, more smooth heat absorber, more rapid cooling effect, better. It's small, portable, minimal uniform, and soft transport far away. It is made of aluminum alloy material to give strong to laptop. The keyboard and mouse can be stored at the bottom of the bracket to make the desktop orderly and clean. Its feet are made of silicone, which are anti-slip and anti-shake. It is very awesome integrated storage design, easy to put into the computer bag. Phone stand. This is dual function phone stand. This is both suitable for mobile phone and tablets. You can easy and simple to storage, no occupy too much space. Its structure is anti-slip silicone to prevent your cell phones from being scratches. This stand frees your hand and makes it easy to watch movie, read emails. You can also watching videos, reading, video recording, or simply browsing the web. This can increase height design, which will protect the spine and neck. This can easily portable and foldable. You carry it with you in your bag where you want to go. People, now meet this multifunctional cable, which has such features, brother, which I didn't even expect it in. Friends, this one is really strong, really strong. Talking about more features. First of all, in this cable itself you will get a built-in LED light, connected to the power bank, and after that lighting turns on. Brother, on to the next cool feature. You can set fire by using this cable. You can also set things on fire with one end of the cable. Have you ever seen cable, such a cable which burn the fire? In this cable, super fast charging of 240 watts will be available. You can also be used for file transfer. You can use it indoor or outdoors to your adventures too, which support you fully. Wooden puzzle gun. If you are a fan of PUBG and Free Fire game, tell me in comments section. This gadget will favorite one for you. This is a wooden puzzle gun. In this you will get many pieces like a puzzle. You just have to remove these pieces, and this cool wooden gun will there. It will be ready, and this is a very fun toy. Because of this you can use rubber bands instead of bullets. You can shoot that back to back. For this, put side rubber bands on it. Just by pressing the trigger, you start shooting rubber bands. Waterproof lighter. This is very amazing lighter gadget which is fully waterproof. It burn immediately after falling in water. It is also totally windproof. How much wind blow and not disturb its burning? Will you burn for camping and hiking? It is very useful in lighting fire during especially in the rainy season. This will help you a lot in lighting the fire. It is rechargeable, you easily charge it while using laptop. Just put the cable and charge starting. In this lighter an emergency whistle is also attached. You can use to call anyone in risky situation. It is so small and minimal, you can carry it with you in your pocket. It's safety lighter when you go outside. Mini drone, yes friends, finally you can see the amazing thing. This is the drone with colorful lighting has inside its frame. The normal color is white and this is a toy drone, which means it is for kids. Vibrant blue finish is made in it, green colored LEDs remain on it. You can see glowing it normally and also flash in different patterns. If you have this drone then you can use it at in the night. You can blow it too. Now this will not be lost by the children. One key return feature was given in it, press one key on its remote. Wherever it will be flying straight so it will come back to the person who flew it. It's a perfect starter for kids. Alone while working or gaming on laptop. If you get bored then this cool robot friend, you can try this to keep you busy and entertained. This is XGO Rider one wheel legs. This is a robot with artificial intelligence. When it is keep on desktop then its size is quite a lot. It has been kept small so that 2 people can walk in it. It having only 2 legs you don't need maintain its balance because this itself balancing and can always maintain balance perfectly. Apart from this, it also has very powerful AI. These amazing features are also available in it. A full-color 2.0 TFT screen which has face is displayed. You can do it with your voice. You can give commands. You can talk to it. And if you learn programming or when you do programming then this robot do program as per your choice. It follows you while trying to track you. You can connect to smartphone via Bluetooth. By doing this you will be able to have full-on control and you see live view of camera on your smartphone. RC car, now it's time for cool RC car. It is simple car but the performance should be strong, that's it. There's also a rugged car that rocks the uneven terrain, and friend, drift is such an amazing killer. It's exactly like Fast and Furious. Brother, no matter how high you jump, even from the roof, it won't be damaged. It is extremely compact and solid. The design of tires which help this car to move on any surface without slip. It has long-lasting modular battery, which can charge easily. It also have headlights so in the evening or at night, when you drive it, its visibility is quite good. The RC car makes a great toy for kids. Now it's your turn. If you not like the video, like it guys, and support the channel. Also press the bell icon, you will not miss the next amazing video. Let's meet in another video with some more awesome gadgets. Take yourself and enjoy the life. Bye.